Hi, I'm Diaper with the Fan Party, and I'm back with another tutorial. Today I'm going to be making a hot air balloon diaper cake centerpiece. So I've made a hot air balloon centerpiece before, but it wasn't with diapers, it was just with the box. And it wasn't for a baby shower. So technically this will be my first time making a diaper cake, hot air balloon diaper cake. So what I have here, I have what is this, a paper lantern? This is a paper lantern I got from Party City. Have some ribbon. I may or may not use all of them. Depends on if inspiration hits. This came with the paper lantern to stick it on the inside. I probably will be using it. I'm not entirely sure, but we'll see. What else? I have a stuffed animal, a baby blanket, some diapers, some rubber bands, my pans. What else? I need some sticks. Hold on. So I've got these balloon yardsticks that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to see how I can use that. First, I gotta make the diaper cake. So let's put all this aside. So this isn't gonna be a large diaper cake. I think I'm going to do 20 on the bottom and probably 10 on the top. It's only gonna be 2 tiers. All right, so I've got my 20. And I just cascade them all around like this. Oh, it's coming out. All right, I gotta take some out. It's not gonna work. Sometimes if I'm trying to put too many diapers in a small pan like this, it becomes difficult, so I just take it out and add it as I go. Because I don't want to use 20 diapers, is too small for my 12-inch pan. Yeah, it's too many for my 8-inch pan, so I gotta work around it somehow. If you're new to my channel, you can see that I'm cascading the diapers. I do not roll my diapers individually because that takes way too much time and I don't have time for that. And when the parents get the diaper cake and they're ready to use the diapers, it's a lot easier to use if they are, still semi-flat. If they're individually rolled, sometimes the fluffing, I guess, it tends to become unusable. I mean, you can still use it if you need diapers, but it's not fun. And then taking all the rubber bands off and popping your fingers, it's not fun. I'm just trying to see how I would do this. Like I said, I haven't done this before, so you're watching me on my journey. We'll see. All right. But first, I must decorate. Oh, I almost forgot. I have these little tubes that I get from my little rolls of tulle. I just use it to stick the diapers together like that. Then, yeah. As you can see, I like to glue my ribbon before I put it on the diapers, especially if this is the first layer of ribbon that's going to go on it. It just helps me prevent getting glue on the diapers. So this one layer of ribbon, of course I can't leave it like that, but what else would I put on it? Why do I have the blanket? I have the blanket. What can I do with the blanket? Maybe... Oh yeah, I forgot! I totally forgot that I wanted to put the blanket on the bottom part. So I'll just take that off. Let's move this real quick. And what I'll do is I'll just fold it, because it's already, this is how it, I didn't unfold it from when I first bought it. So I think all I needed to do is fold it in half, and then it'll be about the same height as the diaper, so that works. To make the blanket stay, I'm just gonna wrap it with the rubber band. And I could just put this around it. So it might be a little tight, but I think I can make it work. It's not a huge deal. Maybe. All right, let's see. Okay, that's not gonna work. So I gotta redo it. I don't think I need to cut another piece though. Dang, I gotta cut another piece. Look. I can try to squeeze it, but it's not gonna work. So I have to cut another piece, unfortunately. And to make it, it's a really tight fit. So to make it go down, I just have to stick my finger between the blanket and the ribbon and just pull up and twist it around. It's hard to explain, but I'm pretty much just sliding it down little by little as I turn it around. I think I'm gonna put this in the middle. Did all that work just to bring it back up. Told you, it's my first time doing this. I'm learning as I go. But I mean, I should already know how to decorate a diaper cake, right? This is the easy part. Alright. Yeah, I can put this back on. So I'm wondering if I should put something around here. I'm not sure. I will put this in the middle though. No, I won't. I'm gonna leave it like that. And I just put another ribbon at the top. Let's find another blue ribbon. What's these? Let's try this one. Alright, last try. That works. I also use these to make a horse and carriage centerpiece. And I can show another tutorial for that at some point. Alright. See, I'm afraid I'm going to rip it because like it's paper. It's tissue paper at that. Alright. I hope I'm doing this right. That doesn't look right. Is this supposed to be bent? I think it's gonna be fine. There's the balloon. Okay, moving on. So I've got the sticks. And I will stick the sticks. Let's see. I'm gonna put it on the sides. I'm gonna put the sticks on the sides. So as you can see, I put 4 sticks on the sides on the bottom tier. So I've got some double-sided tape that I'm going to try to tape on the side of here so I can put the ribbon right here. Alright, so before I continue that, I need to decorate this. So I have a few pieces of ribbon here. This ribbon I got years ago. I can't even remember where I got it from, but it was cheap and it was cute and I thought I'd use it, and look how much I got left after all them years ago. What did I tell you in my last video or a couple videos ago about buying unnecessarily? Anyways, I'm making use of it now. How am I gonna do this? Alright, so I like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna glue ribbon around. I think I'm gonna put it around all these. I don't know if you can see, but the parts that where the paper is connected, I'm just gonna glue it around there. So I added a little wooden bear that I got from Michael's and I painted it royal blue. I put that in the front. And then I'm placing my teddy bear on the top. So I'm looking at this and I can see how short these poles are. And so I don't think I want to put this on top. Let me try. Let's see if I put the poles on the top layer, see if that'll be better. But then it just looks like it's too long and awkward. But I'm going to try it anyway and see what I get. So now I'm trying to see if this is just going to look weird being as tall as it is. Alright, that's not too bad. I thought it was just going to be tall and awkward. What do y'all think? I was thinking about taking this top tier off and just having the bottom diaper roll with the bear on top of it, but I think I like this. You know, I do like it when it's taller. It makes for a more grand centerpiece. So I do think I want to put this here. I also got some paper shred that I want to use, and that's just going to finish it off. So I buy my shred separately and I mix them together. I think it's cheaper that way. So I've got here like 3 different shades of blue and some white because the diaper cake has different shades of blue. But yeah. Like I add shred to almost all of my diaper cakes because I think it helps to finish the look like icing. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to have the bear sit on some of the shred. Like I said, learning as I go. Learning as I go. Because trying to stuff it around, it isn't going to work and it's just going to irritate me. And there you have it. My first hot air balloon diaper cake. It's simple yet cute, functional. Let me know in the comments how you think I did or what you could have done differently. I'm always looking to improve. So thanks for watching.